Hello everyone, Dr. Randy LaBonte here. I'm a research practitioner with the Canadian e-learning network, or CANeLEARN as it is better known. In this video, I provide a brief overview of the use of AI in education. Artificial intelligence, AI, is everywhere. It is in our phones, most electronic devices, and it affects what we buy, watch, listen to, and our social media filters. AI is embedded in web browsers, online searches, automobiles, practically everything we touch. To begin, though, let's consider the evidence for using AI in education. There's been a surge of interest in AI's potential to transform education, with some envisioning a future radically personalized learning experiences. However, it's important to acknowledge that there's limited research currently available. A balanced approach, therefore, emphasizing careful evaluation and responsible implementation is crucial. A balanced approach includes and is driven by critical thinking, which is key when using AI, but especially with students. Like social media, the vast amount of information online can include inaccuracies, misleading content, and for AI systems that rely on the internet, this data requires scrutiny. Just like you wouldn't trust the first source you hear in a conversation or from a random person, we cannot blindly accept AI's initial answer. Scrutinize, analyze, and critically examine everything AI offers. Parents, educators, and students have a responsibility to ensure AI's accuracy and relevance to learning objectives and our needs. Dr. Philip Hardman offers a helpful framework for understanding AI's potential impact on education. Dr. Phil identifies 4 key areas. Efficiency. AI can automate administrative tasks, freeing up educator time for personalized interactions with students. Effectiveness. AI can analyze data to identify individual student needs and tailor learning paths to improve outcomes. Support. AI can provide students with on-demand feedback and resources, acting as a virtual learning companion, also freeing up teacher time. Design. AI can analyze learning data, identify areas of improvement, and suggest effective teaching strategies as well as providing resources. We must go beyond AI's initial responses to any prompt or search. It is crucial to remember that the first answer or soundbite suggested by AI may not be the most comprehensive or well-founded. While guardrails are being created to improve this, it still can serve up wrong answers. So a critical approach is always necessary to understanding the reasoning behind AI's recommendations. And even 2 AI-generated responses will not be the same. So we must do this every time. In education, for many, the rise of AI presents a challenge for potential student misuse. To address this, educators must shift assessment practices, incorporating various methods beyond question and answer. Open-ended questions, problem-solving scenarios, and real-world applications encourage original thought and critical thinking skills, making it difficult for AI to replicate this. Additionally, in-person assessments and presentations allow direct observation and interaction that can further deter AI-assisted cheating. Let's be clear, AI will not replace teachers. Humans and AI are partners, and AI presents an opportunity to really empower us. By leveraging AI tools, we can personalize learning experiences, provide learners with immediate feedback, and create a more engaging educational environment. As we move forward, let's embrace the potential of AI while maintaining a critical perspective. By harnessing AI's capabilities responsibly, we can amplify and accelerate great ideas and practices to empower every learner.